Common Myna is a native Australian honeyeater, often mistaken for the common myna, an invasive species. He has two close cousins though, one is the yellow-throated myna, the other is the bell myna or bellbird. If you live in eastern Australia, chances are you're pretty familiar with this bird. While they are technically a type of honeyeater and love to eat nectar, they will also eat many sorts of food. Their ability to be almost omnivorous, and the exaggerated territoriality they exhibit, may explain why they are so successfully spread all over the east of Australia. The female constructs the nest and incubates the eggs alone, but both parents will care for and feed the young birds. Additional helpers usually also feed the young. Interestingly, these helpers are almost always male birds.